Price negotiation. Since we've made it this far, it might make you cringe to think about virtually begging your home university for money. But in contrast, it makes me smile. All of our lives, we're taught to be happy with what we receive. We tend not to ask for a favor unless we have something to give. It feels greedy to ask for too much. I ask that you use these powers for good, and I am talking, of course, about price grubbing. There are only a few genuine instances in which this is accepted: buying a house, asking for a salary, and choosing a college. Hi, I'm Roman Vi, and this is To Choose a College, Episode 7, How to Make College Cheaper, Part 2. Let's try the college scenario first before these more prominent ones. During these first few months leading up to your tuition bill, it is imperative that you contact the financial aid office for information about your upcoming expenses. Tiers of scholarship we've already discussed in our past episode right up here. Here are some more questions to pose with the best of intentions. What is the price difference of residence halls? Can I see myself being comfortable in a cheaper room? What is the price difference of a single or a double or a triple room? How much food do I plan to eat? Which food plan can I be most comfortable and content with? This is actually making me hungry. We're gonna start price grubbing. Let's make a meal out of it. I'll keep cooking as I talk. Is orientation mandatory or highly recommended? Is my housing deposit reimbursable, or will I have to pay one if I'm commuting or I'm studying abroad? Is there a fee for taking over 15 credits or 18 credits? These are called course overload fees. What we want to look at here is your school credits. Most high school AP courses will transfer to college campuses. There are other forms of AP, like IB, but advanced placement seems to be the most recognized by accredited universities, so we're going to use this as an example today. List down any courses that you've taken with the official advanced placement test. Write down your scores in the AP exams and list these in a spreadsheet. Now you have to look online, or preferably call one of your universities to see what these credits equate to in your course planning worksheet. Most schools will include a color-coded list of the courses that you'll need to take. That's what the course planning worksheet is. Most AP scores will go towards your general education requirements. We call them the Gen Eds, and for the most part, only AP scores of 3 or 4 are going to equate over to your new college. Harder courses, though, like calculus and math courses, lower AP scores may be accepted. Schools might push back and say that these courses are evaluated on a case-by-case and year-by-year basis once the student is committed and accepted. That's a lie. You have the agency, power, and right to know exactly how many credits you will need for your university. If your admissions officer or university website is unresponsive to this information, then go ahead in front of them and request an applicant credit evaluation. Back to you, Roman in the kitchen. The big reveal to this whole process is being able to understand your outstanding credit balance and then dividing them into sections per year and per semester. You might find that you have enough to take an easy 15 credit course load the entire time, or that you have to take those 18 to 20 credits per semester to graduate in 3 to 4 years. Most schools require around 125 credits, although I know some schools that have 120, and I have one friend that goes to school where she only takes 1 credit classes. This process was the moment when I decided which college was right for me and how they treated the credits that I already brought to them from high school. For our Patreon package this month, I've included the story of what made me choose my college and why I think this episode is the most important one yet. This is the 7th episode of To Choose a College, so if you want to catch up on all the things you can do right now, be sure to watch our first 6 months of content on YouTube. Next time, you're discussing student loans. It just makes sense. If you go to a foreign university and you're taking these specialized or higher level major courses abroad, it's harder to transfer them back than it would be for general education requirements. So an easy fix for this is telling your course advisor or your schedule planner to just delay your general education requirements if you're even thinking about going abroad.